Hi friends, Biotin. Biotin is special. It has got three names: Biotin, vitamin B7 and vitamin H, where H stands for hair. Biotin is critical and most important vitamin for hair growth, skin and nails. If you had ever taken biotin supplements in the past, you might have observed tremendous improvement in hair growth, beautiful skin and longer nails within 1 week. Well, not everyone likes supplements. Also, getting biotin naturally from the food is healthy and better option. So let's make natural biotin powder. Biotin is very much found in meat, milk and eggs, but I am coming up with a vegan option by carefully selecting those ingredients which are super duper rich in biotin. We are not adding anything extra or anything unnecessary. Also, this is so yummy and delicious and can be consumed by all age groups. Plus, you can store it for a long time at room temperature. Let's see how to make this vegan biotin powder. For this, we need sunflower seeds. Among all the seeds and nuts, sunflower seeds have the highest percentage of biotin, which makes them a very important ingredient in our biotin powder. It is also rich in vitamin E and zinc, which help stimulate hair growth and healthy nails. Almonds. Almonds are tasty and rich in biotin. They also contain nice balance of omega-3 and omega-6, which promote stronger and healthier hair. Peanuts. Peanuts are a significant source of biotin that prevents hair loss. Also, they are rich in protein and makes it ideal for vegans. Make sure you are not allergic to peanuts. Dry coconut powder. I am using coconut powder here to enhance taste, but eating coconut fresh or dried has enormous benefits for hair. Next, we need jaggery powder to bring sweetness to our powder. Well, jaggery itself is rich in iron, zinc and selenium, which help in anti-aging. If you have to avoid sugars, you can use monk fruit instead of jaggery powder. Let's see the procedure. The peanuts are raw. We need to dry roast them before grinding it. In a pan, take a half cup of peanuts. Dry roast them without oil on medium heat until the skins start coming off. Don't over roast them, they may get burnt. Once they cool down to room temperature, get rid of the skins. It is easy to separate skins. Just squeeze them gently and the skins will come off. Toss this half cup of roasted peanuts into a mixer grinder jar. In the same pan, take half cup of almonds and just toast them on medium heat for about 5 minutes. This step is optional, but toasting almonds slightly enhances flavor and shelf life of our biotin powder. Once they are toasted, switch off stove and let them cool down. Remove the skins of almonds as much as you can. Just throw this half cup of toasted almonds into the same mixer grinder jar. The sunflower seeds I got are already dry roasted, so no need to further roast them. Take a quarter cup of sunflower seeds, toss it in the mixer grinder jar. Now spin the mixer grinder for about 1 minute to get a powder like this. Don't grind too much, otherwise it might become a paste. Just 1 minute of grinding is enough. Now take this powder into a separate bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of jaggery powder. As I said, you can replace it with monk fruit powder if you want to avoid sugars. To this, add 1 tablespoon of dry coconut powder. Mix all of them. This combination of peanuts, coconut and jaggery is my all-time favorite healthy snack. Store it in a steel or ceramic or glass jar. This tastes good for up to 1 month at room temperature. Enjoy it as an evening snack or between meals to get required amount of biotin for hair growth, beautiful skin and nails. Thank you.
Please like our video and subscribe. Tap on bell notification to get more interesting videos.